Hello guys, welcome back to Roblox Kitty Game Room. I'm going to review from the stuff I got from Hawaii and the Peachy Baby slime that I got. So the first one, which is one of my favorite Peachy Baby slime I got, was the one and only Froggy Cubes. I don't know why there's only one frog. Usually there's like another frog, but she is adorable. Time to take the slime out. Yesterday when I just got it, it was so sticky until I added the activator pen, the sticky fix pen, and I know how to make such good pops. It like makes such good. This is a jelly cube slime. So let's try to make it a bubble. Anyways, let's see if I can do it. Boy. I just made a bubble. Alright, Mrs. Frog, please don't get trapped again. I don't want you to get tortured. Anyways, let's add that slime back in. I love their logo. It's so cute. And the next was designed by my favorite coworker, Anna! Panda Hot Springs. I designed it, did it like this. Oh no, what happened to the bush I made? The bush. Let me fix the bush real quick. So it looks like the clay. Although I already mixed the clay. But so cute. So cute. Now let's take it all out. Let's take it all out. I don't want the pan to get it stuck again because it took me like 20 minutes to get this out before I start filming. It's like, yeah, I'm gonna get that out. Get the leaf out. Because they get stuck in slime all the time. Like the charms and stuff. And the palm tree is really easy. Alright. It's so soft. I love how it mixed in the clay. As you can see, there's a lot of air bubbles in Froggy Cubes. It really smells like bamboo green tea. It smells so nice. I just wanted to say thank you, Peachy Babies, for these awesome slimes, especially Anna, because I don't really know who designed Froggy Cubes, so thank you, Anna, for giving me the slime. This is so cool. Although sometimes I don't get many viewers. It doesn't matter that I don't get many viewers. All that matters is I'm a YouTuber. That's all that really matters. So let's see. I tried making a bubble earlier, and I found a way. So you take the sticky fix pen, then dab like this. Oh great, I'll get that later. Please don't get that, Pinky. Alright. Oh my gosh. It's like so soft. Like, it's kind of like a more feel thing. More like you gotta feel things. Thank you, Peachy Babies. This is so nice. I can't believe that they did this to me. Because when I started watching them and seeing that they started to sell slimes, I thought they were scammers, but they're not. This is so fun. Thank you, Peachy Babies. This is so fun. I got it yesterday after I came back from Hawaii. That's why I wasn't able to film. By the way, I made a new friend. Her name is Bailey. Wait, where's the cat? Oh. Got it. Santa. All right. Now that I've done the two slimes, it's time to see the stuff I got. Okay. Oh, I want to show you the other stuff I got. So, of course, it's not by getting squishy. I got a little mochi. He's so cute. And where's the slime vibes? Slime vibes. Slime vibes. I know it's backwards on the camera, but it's nice. Of course, I got the sticky fix pen. Okay, next thing. Kurumi. I got Sanrio from Hawaii. Okay, I know you guys have been a fan of Cinnamoroll. Some of you guys are like a fan of Cinnamoroll. Got these scissors of Cinnamoroll. I don't know who this guy is. And my best friend Amelia she loves Pachaco. So I got Pachaco brush. Right? I put this in my little curly pouch. Alright, that's all I wanted to show you. Okay, if you like and subscribe and follow me for more.